Good morning, students. In last class, we discussed about the solar radiation. The Earth receives a lot of energy from the solar radiation. Solar radiation, also known as the short waves, then have the reflect the solar rays. Then these are known as the long waves or the terrestrial waves. Here we discuss about the daytime or day period in the north hemisphere. Day period in the north hemisphere. In north hemisphere here, the time is the winter solstice and the summer solstice. In basic part we studied about this part here in approx 0 degree that is known as the equator, on equator here the sun is vertical on the sun rays is vertical on 21-22 March and 22-23 September, and this condition then 23.5 degree, this is known as the tropic of Cancer, and the sunrise is vertical on 21 June. Sunrise is vertical on 21 June, and here 23.5 degree south latitude. This is known as the Cape of this is known as the Capricorn. ठीक है, this known as the Capricorn, and here the sunrise is vertical. Sunrise is vertical on Tropic of Capricorn. The time is 22 December. The time is 22 December. So here 22 December. This is situation known as the winter solstice. Then the sunrise is vertical on the Tropic of Capricorn, and the sunrise is vertical on the Tropic of Cancer. This time is the 21-22 June. 21-22 June. Here we studied about the all these the day period in the north hemisphere. Day period in the north hemisphere. Day period in the north hemisphere. Here they on 0 degree. Then here the 0 degree. Here the on 22 December. On 22 December here the on 0 degree. Here the 12-hour day, and 20 degree approx here 20 degree north latitude. Here the day period is the 10 hour and the 48 minute. 10 hour and the 48 minute on the 40 degree here, nearby here 40 degree here the 9 hour and 8 degree day, and 9 hour and 8 minute day. Here the sunrise is vertical here, then here the sunrise is on a slide. Then here the sunrise is sunrise slant here. Slant से मतलब तिरछा होती जाती है ना, slant. Sunrise is slant here. Then here the day period is decrease. Day period decrease on the 60 degree latitude, 60 degree north latitude. Day here the 5 hour and the 33 minute on the 90 degree latitude. 90 degree latitude. Here the polar region. Here the 0. Totally here the night. Totally here the night. And here in north hemisphere, according to latitude, here the day period or day time is decreasing. Day time is decreasing and the night time is increasing according to the latitude. And the position is 21 June. This is known as the summer solstice. Then the sunrise is vertical on Tropic of Cancer. This time here the 0 degree on equator. Here the time period is the 12-hour day. Then here the 20 degree north latitude. 20 degree north latitude. Here the time is 13 hour and the 12 minute. Then here 40 degree 14 hour and 52 minute, and 60 degree 18 hour and 27 minute. And on polar region here the 6 month. Polar region here the 6 month day. The total here the according to latitude here the increase the daytime. According to latitude here the increase the daytime. The situation of the summer solstice. The earth is tilted on its axis 23.5 degree, and the earth is have the angle with their class approx 66.5 degree. Now we discuss about the other parts, and we help with help of your textbook. And you carry the textbook, and we clear all these next part here by these sentences. first of all here the passage of solar radiation through the atmosphere. And here what condition here? The condition here is the surface. Here is surface, earth surface, and solar radiation passing from here, and here the envelope of air, an envelope air known as the atmosphere. The atmosphere is transparent, and the sun rays passing through the atmosphere, and the earth surface receive the energy. Here the sentence, the atmosphere is largely transparent to short waves solar radiation. Solar radiation as a short wave. Then here the reflect, then here the convert in the long waves. The incoming solar radiation passes through the atmosphere before striking the earth surface. जब earth surface पे आ रही है उससे पहले क्या हो रहा है? Passing through the atmosphere. Within the troposphere, here the near the troposphere, near the earth surface, here the layer of the earth known as the troposphere from 13 to 80 degree, 13 to 80 kilometer, and here the found the water vapor, dust particle, and the gases. Found here the water vapor, dust particle, and the gases, like here the ozone also. Clear? And other gases absorb much of the near infrared radiation, and then here the sun rays, then the solar radiation absorb water vapor, dust particle, gases absorb the solar radiation, and here very small suspended particles in the troposphere scattered visible spectrum. और जब ये क्या कर रहा है ना, then here the absorb, then here the make a spectrum, then both to the space and towards the earth surface. The spectrum कहाँ पे? Towards the space also, space की तरफ भी, and towards the surface also. Then here, what effect of this here? This process adds the color to the sky. The red color of the rising and the setting sun. जब सूर्य उदय होता है और अस्त होता है उस समय क्या हो रहा है? The red color and the total the time here the blue color of the sky are the result of the scattering of light within the atmosphere. Scattering of the light within the atmosphere, and the most of reason is that the water vapor, dust particle absorb the solar radiation, and what here reflect particular we use here the this process adds the color here the sentence scattered visible spectrum both sides for space and towards the earth surface, and here the various color, like here the red color when here rising in the center of the sun, and the totally here the sky is blue. Then here next the spatial distribution of the insolation at the earth surface. In last class, previous class, we also discussed about the here different places here the different solar radiation or solar energy received by the earth. The insolation received the surface varies about the 320 watt work meter in the tropics, and 70 watt per meter in poles, square meter in poles. Polar region में क्या हो रहा है? Here the low energy या low temperature, and here receive the tropical regions here the lot of energy, lot of temperature. Approx here the 320 watt per square meter, and the polar region here the 70 watt per square meter. Clear? Here the maximum insolation receives over the subtropical, and the maximum insolation receives subtropical region. Subtropical region at the 0 degree, 23.5 degree north, 23.5 degree north is known that torrid zone, and here 23.5 to 66.5, this is known as the temperate zone. And these part here 23 to some geographer consider 35, some geographer non 45 degree, 35 to 45 degree, or this part is known as the subtropical region. This part is known as the subtropical region, and the subtropical regions have received the subtropical regions desert. The deserts situated and located in the subtropical region receive the insolation, receive the maximum insolation, Here the different part of the earth surface here, different quantity of the insolation received by the earth surface.